Well, don't you know I left this chain laying on the floor and it's been kicked around a little bit. And I walked into the garage this morning and thought it was a snake. Oh, gotta clean that up. Here's the 441. I've got the clutch cable hanging up. I'm gonna take that down now. The 441 is still sitting here. I'm not gonna work on it today. I'm gonna put it aside. I did do a little bit this morning. I cleaned off this I cleaned off this rear sprocket and took a look at it. And it's not badly worn. It's got some fish hooking, and when I get the new chain, I'll lay it in there and see if I can lift a link, make a decision then. Part of the work order on this is to make it safe as possible, which to me means take the wheels off, check the wheel bearings and brakes. So when I pull that wheel off, I'll double check that sprocket and see if it should be replaced. Anyway, that's where we are. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to put the 72 Triumph back on the lift because I have the new sprocket and we'll see if it fits. So that's what I'm going to do today for a little while. It's 9:30 now, and I'm going to Kevin's shop at 1 o'clock to work on the Trident that we're trying to resurrect. So I'll go up there this afternoon. All right, that's about it.